Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Instagram. So probably you want to find your favorite artist or favorite singer on Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. So first open your Instagram, and then here at the homepage you'll find the magnifying glass icon at the bottom. This is the feature where you can find someone or Instagram. Just click on that, and then here you can see the search column. You can just click on that and then type in your favorite artist or your favorite artist name or others. So for example, I want to find Justin Bieber. Okay, so just like that, the account will be show up like this. But if you want to find someone famous on Instagram, you'll find you need to make sure that the account is verified like this. There is a blue check icon at the end of the name. So just click on that, and this is the account that you want to find. And if you want to follow, just click on the follow icon, the blue one right here. Okay, so that's so easy. That is how you can find someone on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.